Welcome back to the Cars, Cats, and Cannabis YouTube channel. Today we happen to be testing the towing capacity of the 2.8 liter Duramax Colorado ZR2. For any of you new subscribers, this is the new setup with the truck, the new bumpers, and had to go wireless for the winch just because it was too much of a pain to plug it in and unplug it. So the Warren kit's good for that, but this loads about 6,000 pounds. Interesting thing with the ZR2 is that they're rated for 5,000 pounds because of transmission cooling issues. They said because of the front bumper. Well, this truck has an external transmission cooler right there. So we do not have concerns about the transmission temperature. As you can see, the snow on the ground. But we will see how this handles it. You would be curious about the squat. Not bad at all. The Multimatics handle it well. And we'll get this Park Avenue Ultra home. Welcome back. We just got back from our 6,000 pound towing adventure through the snow, and I am happy to report the ZR2 performed admirably. I would not hesitate to tow 6,000 to 7,000 pounds again. A stock Colorado Z71 diesel, or even any normal Colorado diesel, is rated to tow 7,000 pounds. I think even a gasser is rated for 7,000. They downrated the ZR2s to 5,000, so I was a little hesitant about, exceeding the manufacturer's recommendation, but they did a great job building these trucks. The truck handled it well. You saw it barely even squatted, so I'm happy to say that the ZR2 did a good job with it. So GM, excellent job, engineers. I did have to use my shackles to hook the chains to because I forgot to put holes there. But overall, very happy with the ZR2. I just hit 36,000 miles with it. So any difference between my 12,000 mile update and 36, other than I've got 25,000 more miles on the delete, no issues there. Got some new bumpers. We have skid plates. I'm not sure you'll be able to see them, but full skids under there. The front bumper, the rear bumper, the radio install. So we've got a lot done to the truck. I'll do it more in-depth review, but I just really haven't done that much to it in the past year that would change it. So appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you found this review informative. And there's some awesome content coming from Drummond Island upcoming this weekend. So thanks a lot. Have a nice day.